Tony, we've got some interesting tools here on this table.
Yes, we do.
And what are they all associated with?
These are with some disabilities, folks that love to farm, still wants to farm. And by the way, the AgriAbility program itself is a 20-year-old program with 20 groups in it, 20 states so far, probably 21 plus now. But Maine's in it, Virginia's in it. We have our great things. But these tools it shows you here. This tool here, this hoe, is a normal size. It's about 4 feet. And so, it keeps me from bending. My back will be in bad shape. So we like to.
So here's what a normal tool is.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are folks who need some adaptive tools and adaptive ways to do things, and AgriAbility helps with that.
Yes, ma'am. We help with tools. Yes, ma'am. Make them longer. The poles are longer. This one here we have before us, and we put this one down, is a diamond hole, and we have the pole is about 6 feet long. A guy like me, I can stand straight up and do my thing with this hole.
Problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Or ability or inability to just even bend well. This tool here would help accommodate that.
Yes, ma'am. Even with the grip, and it's a great tool. So
it is one of my favorite types of hoe.
I
love
that diamond hoe.
Okay,
that's
I'm
great.
a diamond hoe girl. Yeah.
So here we have folks that have grip problems. So we can use this trowel to help them with the
ability
problem.
to hold on to it.
Yeah. It's just different. The regular way of going in, we scoop. They can't do it because of arthritis or various things.
Right.
So it keeps the farmers farming. You know, farmers right now we have the average age is about 60 years old.
Oh my.
And we have a lot of farmers that come in and are veterans. They're using farming to take care of their PTSD.
Right.
And it helps them too. They may have arthritis or disabilities in their hand.
Right.
And other parts of the body.
And so AgriAbility is one of the programs they can reach out to and be able to learn how to make adaptive changes to their tools.
Yes, ma'am, and keep doing what they love if it's farming.
Yes.
And we only take care of the farmers. And this here, we have this one here. This is a regular hoe with the grip. So the grip itself is there, so we can.
It's very comfortable.
Yes,
I gave
it
it
is.
a try.
And you can give it a tight. You really get this. These are things that you can order. Folks can order them through various channels.
Yes.
And so we'll talk about this. And this is the one you like.
I do. I love playing with that.
It's an extended piece of hoe, so it goes out, and Peggy likes it. So
I think it's cool.
We'll keep it going. So these things you can buy over the counter in various hardware stores and farmers markets or farmer stores, seed stores.
But what happens if you can't find them, or if you've got tools like I do? I love my tools, but how can we make modifications to them?
Well, this one here is a handle. If you got a problem with grip, you can use this to put it along the side, as we have.
So it fits onto
the hoe, and you can pull, push, pull, do what you got to with it. It helps and it soothes. And so this is here available. A lot of this stuff, like I say, is available if you order it, and also if you check with the AgriAbility folks, we have a partnership with Easter Seals.
Oh, okay.
And there's some ways you can go through those various places to get what you can.
Oh, that's wonderful.
The need is out there. A lot of folks are doing it, adding on steps to their tractors, lifts for some folks, but a lot of it's not funded.
Yes.
So.
Well, a lot of times people get creative. Like I see over there the garden stool over there, which is something that I've used in the past.
Yes, this garden stool, it's got a brace to pick your hands up when you can get on it on your knees and get closer to whatever you're going to deal with. You want to turn it over. It's a bench to sit on. So you got that. You don't have to bend over all ways. You can sit there in a chair and use the back. So it's something available for them.
Yes.
And this is over the counter also.
A friend of mine took that and made it into a scooter so she could scoot up and down her garden rows.
There you can, that's right.
I was amazed.
Some of the farmers say the same thing. They say, I use it to grab and go. And then we have a pad. This pad is used for the floor. If folks are canning, that's farming too. If folks are canning, they can use this to help the knees and everything else. And also you can move this along within your garden. or in your high tunnel or whatever you want.
Exactly, so
So-
that you're not standing on that hard
Yes, ma'am.
ground.
Yes, ma'am.
That you've got a buffer there.
It's these little things.
Such
to
little
keep
things.
little things.
Yes.
And folks can do what they have to.
How do people learn about the AgriAbility program?
Well, AgriAbility program, we have the AgriAbility program. It's a flyer out. Let's say, and we have various means you can go through the VEC, Virginia Extension Centers, and check also. We're online, and so I just want to talk about that. You can go out and figure out what you want to do.
That's great.
And we're here for you. Just call, go out and just say AgriAbility Virginia. Google it,
Yeah.
and it'll come up.
It'll come up.
It's a farmer's dream.
Yes. Are there other programs and things available? So if I'm interested in becoming a farmer and I really don't even know where to begin, are there programs associated that AgriAbility could maybe help connect me through?
Yes, we have the Small Farm Outreach Program at Virginia State University. We have orientations for new and beginning farmers and ranchers. We also have classes that we present, various things as far as engineering, lawnmowers and
Small
farm, small engines, and work with that, and also how to do a crop. And
that's fantastic.
a lot of folks call in and get guidance, and we have various classes that you can join free. A lot of them are free. If it's $5, that's not bad, but you know sometimes you got to give them $5 so they lose something, have something in the game
Yeah.
to show up.
Yes.
Well, I had a thing on the 24th of May. Said rain or shine, you veterans better be here.
Yes.
We had 91 folks show up, and
That's
so
amazing.
it's good. It's a great class.
That's great, Tony. Tony, this is fantastic information because I know some people are very interested in joining, becoming a farmer, but they don't know where to begin. But also I know there are people out there who are in the agriculture industry that do have challenges and they want to continue with their passion. And they now know that AgriAbility
AgriAbility.
can help them do so. So
Yes, ma'am.
thank you.
Glad to be here.